Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we do a whole lot of DIY sewing and upcycling over here. So I just wanted to say today I'm doing a quick little review and I'm sharing with you my finished shirt project. I just wanted to say it was very enlightening and I think I upped my level a little bit, just a little bit, because I have to make it again and I will definitely make it again. So with that said, let's get into this video. Thank you for joining me today. Y'all keep on coming back because I appreciate every comment, every like, every watch. So I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, enjoy this one. All right, that's my intro. Fantastic. So what? I don't know, but this is a sewing project and this is a review. Okay, so today I wanted to share with y'all my shirt. I finally finished my shirt. Check her out. Check her out. Y'all look at her. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she is cute. She's definitely a work shirt. How I got her on today. Okay, so this pattern here is New Look 6561. And I wanted to say that I enjoyed making this pattern. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I needed to turn y'all around. I'm sorry, because I just, I got to share the shirt. It could have been a little bit more snug. Yes. I think I made it in a 20 because I just wanted to make sure I had enough room to work with and everything. So, because your girl got boobies and she got other things. So, here we go is the shirt so y'all can see it. I don't know. I did mention in another video that if it hadn't been for Rochelle Handmade Design, I would not probably have made this as well as I did. Okay, because look, look at that collar, y'all. Talking about popping the collar. Yo, we gonna pop the collar because here goes the real shirt on the picture. Okay, that's the shirt. All right. See it? This one? This one. All right. So, if it hadn't been for her doing a tutorial on this shirt, I probably would have been a little lost. So I appreciate her going ahead before me because she ain't new to the game. She's true to the game. So yeah, I just want to say for this review pattern, the instructions were a little bit confusing for me because I'm a new sewist. So keep that in mind. I'm a new sewist, so it could have been confusing for me. I'm pretty sure the OGs got it. And I don't mean age OGs, I mean in the game of sewing. So with that said, I did appreciate the pattern. Following her tutorial helped me complete the steps in making these tie bands and everything. Putting the gathers in here, putting the pockets on and sewing them. Yeah, but I could use a little less room in here. But and then the back, just so y'all can see the back. Yeah, Some of y'all probably could wear it as a dress. Some of y'all could probably wear it as a dress. I ain't got my mic on, y'all. But and then another thing that I probably could have done was use bigger buttons. I do like the buttons that I have, but I could have used bigger buttons. tips I have for making this shirt is take your time. If you're new to sewing, it will elevate your game, so don't be afraid of it. Just follow her tutorial because I didn't do one. I needed to concentrate, y'all. I needed to concentrate. So, yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my shirts. So, I also just printed out a PDF pattern from Mimi G. I wanted to make myself a white tee and a black tee, and she had a male female one. And so Walmart had some poly cotton on sale, some black and white. Well, it wasn't on sale. It was like $4 for 1.5 yards. So I got it in black and I got it in white. So I'm going to put that PDF together and probably make those 2 t-shirts. And then I also wanted to say I made a decision not to go to shades of blue, but I'm still going to do my outfits because I just want them to wear. So I am going to be finishing up my upcycle that I have back there. I have a project that I'm working on with my sister who's coming over tomorrow. So hopefully maybe we can share that. And I'm also thinking about, why my video look like it's sliding? Because it's sliding. It's sliding, y'all. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm also, see, now I forgot my train of thought. But I'm going to do the blue. I'm going to do some of the blue. I ain't going to do all of the ones that I said. But I do have those plans. What else am I going to do? My upcycle, see, forget it. I ain't even going to struggle that hard. But my hard part in work is over, so that stress is gone. So thank you guys who probably put up a prayer for your girl. Some tips I was going to give you. Yeah, I did. I think I did. See? Just take your time if you planned on making this shirt, okay? And it might not be that hard for you, but it was for me. But it elevates my game. I think it elevates my game to make better collars. I mean, I've made a coat with a collar before, but I think it was trial and error that I was able to do that. But to make these ties and turn them inside out and then make sure that the cuff and everything is on there, and then, you know, following her instructions of turning these inside out, and then putting the sleeve on and putting the pocket on, and then using my machine for the first time making buttonholes. That was a challenge. I thought I tore up my machine because I didn't have a button in the right place. So it was hitting, the needle was hitting the button. Yeah, y'all. So you know your girl was scared. But she survived it. I survived. I will survive. Long as I know how to love. I know I still love. No. We ain't gonna do that one. But anyway, that's all. I didn't want to hold y'all long. But I think I'm gonna come on Friday and maybe I don't know if I should record it or if I should do a live, because sometimes when you work and you kind of like need your space to be creative. So with that said, I think I'm gonna just record it and then I'll share it with you guys probably for Monday, unless I decide. What was that just flying? Yeah, but right now I'm getting ready to do a bunch of cutting, a bunch of PDFing. That didn't sound right. I'm getting ready to tape together some PDFs. So I think I'm going to record it and I might share it with y'all, because last time I did one, I didn't share my tracing. I don't think I did. But anyway, yeah. So with that said, I'm going to let y'all go. I ain't got to hold y'all forever in a day. But look at this shirt. One more time, y'all. Look at this shirt. Oh, and also my next project too is I'm making a African apparel for my brother-in-law. He wants a dashiki and a pair of pants, so I will be cutting that out and I'll be sharing that process with you guys. It doesn't seem like it's going to be too hard to do. There isn't, there is the collar on there, but your girl getting good with the collars. So yeah, this is Butterick 6534, and he needs it for the month of February, which is right around the corner. That's my birthday month, y'all. That's my birthday month. Yeah, but anyway, I got to take this hair down. Y'all, it's driving me nuts being up. My hair don't like tension. So, but yeah. But that's all. That's what's going on. Went to Walmart, got some fabric, gonna make some t-shirts. Gonna work on this Butterick pattern. Glad I worked on this pattern and was able to put it on and share it with you guys, because that's my plan, to be able to do that. Not always a reveal, but a just, review and share. So this took me, let's see, I did it in a 20, so it took 2 1/8 yards. I did view A. Here is the information, just in case you want to see or you want to make it. Okay, and I do have my J-Sotastic tag in the back, and I shared that with you guys. But yeah, I do have my label in the back of this shirt. If I didn't have to get naked, I'd share it with y'all. But I know y'all don't want to see all that. So with that said, bye y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Today is Thursday. Happy Thursday.